Hello, dear students. Welcome to the English lesson again. I am Ms. Ahmadjonova from the Department of Foreign Languages. So today we're going to speak about agriculture. So what is agriculture itself? So agriculture means farming, the synonyms. And today we're going to speak about agriculture. So what is farmer? Introducing the topic. So students, okay, so here we have some exercise. First of all, we're going to work with vocabulary. For example, when we speak about farming, we remember the words cultivate, rely, harvesting, livestock, subsistence, crops, plots, export. So these are some new words which is connected with agriculture. So here there is activity. You should find missing words and put in order. For example, choosing the correct words from the list to fill the gap in the text about agriculture. Some farmers in Rwanda practice what kind of farming? You should put here. That means they are self-sufficient. They have small, you should put here necessary word. Okay, like this you should do this activity and then we can speak about another things. So let's speak about soil and its management. When we speak about farming, we think about soil. The soil should be productive for plants and for insects also. Sometimes when we plant something in the field, we should take into account insects also. We have useful insects and useless insects also. And of course, insects will help them help plants to provide with water, to provide with vitamins, and another necessary useful sources. So here, good farming means use of many factors such as natural conditions, land, crops, livestock, machinery, fertilizers, and some others. All these factors have to be put together to make the farming system work successfully. So remember, please, farming system consists of natural conditions, land, crops, livestock, machinery, fertilizers, and others. One of the most important points to be taken into consideration is farming is the soil which is known to be a natural source that supports plant life. So we cannot imagine healthy plant life without soil. The soil should be very productive, fertilized. It is a mixture of particles of rock, organic materials, living forms, air and water. So it is about soil. And the soil should consist of mixture of particles of rock, organic materials, living forms, air and water. So they all mixture of a productive, perfect soil. And during his entire existence upon the earth, man has depended upon the soil either directly or indirectly. So we can, for a long time, step by step, year by year, people are using the soil in order to make healthy atmosphere, healthy life, and of course, healthy lifestyle. So grain, fruits, and vegetables are food products obtained by man directly from the soil. Domestic animals consume grain and forage produced by the soil and in turn supply people with meat, milk, eggs, and other products using the human food. So here we can see circle of the life. So wild life will eat these products, I mean plants, and they make some meat, milk, egg, and other products for human being. So these are the products obtained from the soil indirectly. Some good clay and loamy soils are naturally highly fertile. Some light sandy soils are naturally poor. So here we can see soil, the quality of soil is divided into two parts: clay and loamy soils and light sandy soils. Clay and loamy soils are very productive, very useful, normal. But light sandy soils are naturally very poor, not so productive. So various factors that make up soil fertility are moisture conditions, plant foods, and soil structure. All these components may be regulated by proper management of the soil. Of course, it depends on the human being to control the quality of soil. Soil management is the science of tillage operations, cropping practices, using fertilizers, lime, and other treatments conducted on or applied to a soil for the production of crops. So generating vocabulary. So here again, let's speak about new words like conservation, seedbed, soil improvement, dryland farming, insecticide, compost, plant nutrient, environment drainage. So here, a mixture of organic matter and the soil that is subjected to biological decomposition. So here you should find and match these new words with the definitions, with the explanations, here we can see here some statistics and facts. For example, farmers saved seed from each year's harvest in order to buy the things they needed, such as clothes. And so here, this is also exercise. You should make sentences about traditional farming by matching the beginnings and endings. Write your answers in the grid below. So the first line is about farming, and the second one, the part of this, the first sentence. So you should match them. And here is also riddle, like puzzle. They are instruments of farming. You should find their names. So they're very necessary instruments for soil improvement, for farming. And successful farming means proper use of natural conditions. So you should answer on the board to make questions for the following sentences. The answers will be discussed further. So during the 7 minutes, you should answer for these questions, and we will discuss together. And here is given your homework. You should make short presentation on one of the following topics for 5 minutes. Use the words about animals and animal productions below to make sentences. Practice speaking your sentence or write them in the box. So you should make presentation. For example, milk, meat, eggs, skin, honey, beeswax. To make, we keep pigs, rabbits, sheep, chicken, goats, cows, bees, and etc. So you should use these new words and make your presentation and speak about this topic for 5 minutes. Again, the task for you at the end of our lesson, put the descriptions about traditional and modern farming into categories. Write the sentence in the correct table below. Thank you for your attention. See you at the next lesson. Goodbye.